Welcome, I'm Crafty Maryanne. Let's make some chocolate truffles. So I have out all of our ingredients for making the chocolate truffles. The truffle itself is very simple. It's just heavy cream and semi-sweet chocolate chips. So I have the chocolate chips already weighed out, and I just need to weigh out a pound of heavy cream. So I've got my scale here. So what I'm using right now is a setup that mimics a double boiler. I don't own a double boiler, so I'm using a pot with water in it and a bowl that doesn't go all the way down to make the double boiler, so we can melt our chocolate and make our truffles. Alright, well, let's check back on it in about 5-10 minutes. Well, we just hit the 5-minute mark. As you can see, the chocolate is starting to melt and incorporate in with the heavy cream, so we're going to just keep stirring it slowly, and we'll check back in a few minutes. After we have everything melted together and incorporated, we're going to chill down the bowl with the ganache in it and let it firm up. That way we can scoop it with a little melon baller to make our truffles. Because we'll get it all scooped, we'll keep it cold, and then we'll dip it in the toppings. And the toppings we have are powdered sugar, cocoa powder, toasted coconut, pretzel crisps, white chocolate. So I just added half a teaspoon of vanilla and a little pat of butter right up there. The butter's going to make it really shiny, while the vanilla is really going to make that flavor pop. So I'll have a list of the ingredients down in the description below, along with links to all the tools that I used today. And I just took it out of the fridge. One thing I forgot to mention was when you go to put the ganache in the fridge, you really want to wrap it with a piece of plastic, smooth across the top. That way you don't get this film, and then when you remove the plastic, you're just good to scoop and go. So we'll take off that plastic there. So I've got a little cookie scoop. It's a 2-ounce portion, and we're just going to scoop and drop them on the tray. This tray is going to go into the freezer, and then once it's been in the freezer and it's firmed up a little more, we'll dip them or roll them in whatever topping they're going to have. Alright, now we're back and we're just dipping the truffles in the dark chocolate. I had them in the freezer, that way they set up really nice and firm. We just want to give it a good coating. And then from there, we want to knock off as much extra chocolate as possible, even off the bottom. Okay. And then right into the powdered sugar. These are wonderful. You should try these. You really should. And you can get really creative with the toppings. You know, I grabbed a bunch of different things out of the cabinet. I even have white chocolate, butterscotch, milk chocolate, semi-sweet chocolate. You can put candy canes on it, crushed up, or Star Mints. Anything hard. And I think it pairs really well with like caramels or salt. So like the crushed pretzels, the crushed pretzel crisps. Toasted coconut, powdered sugar, cocoa powder, lots of options. You can go hog wild and really enjoy yourself. I'll have recipes to everything down in the description below. And if you like what I'm doing and you enjoy seeing it, please like, comment, and subscribe. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for joining Crafty Maryanne.